Hey guys, what's up? This is Geronimo and thank you for watching this video. And for today, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano tayo mag-upload ng animated overlay sa Streamyard. So right now, nasa After Effects na tayo and this overlay is ready to render. Hindi ko pa ito maituturo kung paano siya ginawa, but ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano natin ilalagay itong animated video na to papunta sa ating overlay, which is really a big help, lalo na kung gusto mong pagandahin yung live stream nyo. So, ang gagawin natin dito ay i-render natin siya papunta sa ating computer as alpha. So, meaning ng alpha ay hindi niya lalagyan ng background dito. Nakikita nyo may checkered na yan. Kumbaga sa photo is PNG format. So, yung nakikita nyong checkered na yan, dyan lalabas syempre yung camera natin kapag nag-live stream na tayo. For the setting of After Effects, dito tayo sa format option. Para ma-render nyo siya as alpha, check nyo lang tong render alpha channel only. Just make sure you select your favorite or your most liked video codec. For me, I just leave it out there. Then for my format is QuickTime. Then click OK. Tapos click na natin yung render. So let's just wait for a while. Then there you go. So this overlay is a 3-second overlay. Tapos naka-loop lang siya once na inopen natin siya sa Streamyard. Makikita nyo siya mamaya. Now, na-render na yung overlay natin. Since wala tayong GIFGUN or GIFGUN na plugin sa After Effects, pwede nyo siyang bilhin para mas madali yung process. But I will do this one without any third-party plugin or third-party software. So after we render this out, punta tayo sa Photoshop, then File, tapos Import Video Frames to Layers. So after natin maklik yun, nahanapin lang natin yung file natin, then let's wait for the Photoshop to analyze the footage. So there you go, ito na yung file natin na nirender from After Effects. I-click lang natin to para mag-import siya sa ating Adobe Photoshop. There you go, ito na. Merong lalabas na new window na Import Video to Layers, which is click lang natin from beginning to end na yan kasi gusto natin kabuuan yung makuha natin. Then click OK. Then let's wait for a while. Magko-convert ito sa mga PNG format na layers. Tapos kung ilang frames yon, ganun magiging kadami yung layers natin. Makikita nyo mamaya. So there you go, andito na tayo sa Photoshop na convert niya na yung video format natin into layers. So makikita nyo yan from layer 1 to layer 144. Tapos click lang natin yung file, wala na tayong babaguhin pa dito. Then from the export tab, click natin yung save for web legacy. Then may lalabas na new window, click lang natin yung fit in view para makita natin yung kabuuan ng video natin. Tapos yan, yung preset ko is GIF 32D3. Tapos preview lang natin kung ano itsura niya. For me, okay na to since for live streaming lang naman and ang importante dito is yung mukha natin. So click lang natin tong, just make sure looping option is forever, then click lang natin yung save, tapos hanapin lang natin kung saan natin siya gusto i-save. Then there you go. So rendering na yung aking GIF. Then after that, check natin sa ating folder. So there you go. Ito na yung file natin and ilalagay na natin siya sa Streamyard. So as you can see, nandito na tayo sa Streamyard and nagpe-play na yung banner na ginawa ko or in-upload ko prior to this video. But if we will upload the new one, yung ginawa nating overlay while we're talking sa audience, yun yung use nun, which is this one. Yan, kung mapapansin nyo, hindi ito moving eh. Ang gagawin natin dito, magkakaroon ng live logo dyan. So, upload natin. Punta tayo dito sa brand tab, then overlays. So, click lang natin yung upload overlay. Tapos, hanapin nyo lang yung file na ginawa nyo, which is yung GIF. So, may limit tong Streamyard ng file size ng GIF nila. Malalaman natin mamaya. Kasi, kapag sumobra yung file size ng GIF natin, yun, kailangan nating liitan. Our file size is around 3.7 MB. I think this is good to go. Oh, kailangan lang pala 3 MB for the GIF. So, ang gagawin natin, nandito na ulit tayo sa ating renderer ng Adobe Photoshop for GIF. So, save for web legacy. Since yung file size natin, kung makikita natin sa lower left corner ng preview window natin, 3.5 MB, which is sabi sa Streamyard kanina is maximum of 3 MB lang per GIF. So, gagawin natin is wag tong percentage na to for size to and tong quality, hindi magbabago yung size natin dyan. So, palitan lang natin tong 32 colors to 16 colors since limited lang naman yung color na meron tayo sa artwork natin. So, try nating i-preview kung may nabago ba. So far, okay naman sa akin. So, since sabi ko nga kanina, ang importante dito is yung ating sinasabi at yung nasa camera na ginagamit natin. So, yan. Overlay lang naman ito. So, replace. So, let's wait for this one to be rendered out. So, we're back in our Streamyard broadcast na ginawa kanina. So, upload lang natin ulit yung ating overlay and hopefully tanggapin na siya ng Streamyard. So, it's now uploading. So, we will wait first before we can try the overlay. So, there you have it, guys. Nag-upload na yung ating moving or animated overlay. So, itatry na natin siya ngayon. So, i-add natin sa stream ang ating account. So, naka-avatar tayo ngayon kasi naka-off yung camera and naka-mute din yung mic natin. So, i-click natin tong overlay. Check natin kung gumagalaw. So, there you have it, guys. Nag-upload na yung animated overlay natin. So far, okay naman ito since live lang naman siya and ito lang naman yung moving. Tapos, yung banner ko gumagalaw din, which is this one. So, mas okay din yung ganito. So, before we end, let's try another one from our stream pack, yung ending naman natin. So, import lang ulit natin, tapos video frames to layers para lang ma-familiarize din kayo while watching this video. So, nasa Photoshop tayo. Once again, file, import, tapos yung video frames to layers. Parang ganun. There you go. Andito na yung new window, which is yung import video to layers. Once again, from beginning to end. Then, make frame animation. Just okay. So, there you go. Ito na yung ating artwork. Tapos, punta ulit lang tayo sa file, then export, save for web legacy. So, this is the save for web preview window. Kung mapapansin natin, yung ating size is 619.1K. So, try natin gawing colors is 32 since iniba natin siya kanina. Wait lang natin. Kung tataas din yung file size. Most probably. Kasi dadami yung kulay. So, there you go. Naging 654 lang. So, medyo maliit lang naman siya. So, yan. Click natin yung play. So, there you have it. Ayan. So, meron na tayong thank you for watching na banner. So, click lang natin yung save. Tapos, i-export natin siya kung saang folder natin siya gusto ilagay. So, since it's done rendering, we're back in Streamyard and i-upload lang natin siya under brand, overlay, tapos click the upload overlay. Then, there you go. Nag-upload na yung ating thank you for watching banner. So, try lang natin kung gumagana ba. Then, there you have it. Gumagalaw na yung mga banners natin. So, guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. I hope na may natutunan kayo kung paano nyo papapagandahin yung live stream nyo using the Streamyard since super simple lang nung user interface niya and parang sobrang simple lang din ang magagawa natin. But no, pwede natin i-extract yung creativity natin or i-apply yung creativity natin using this Streamyard para mas mapaganda pa yung live stream natin and para mas mapaganda yung viewing experience ng ating mga viewers or subscribers ng live session natin. So that's all. I hope you like this video and if you want to share this one to your friends, don't forget to click the share button. And if you want to learn more about photography, videography, editing, and vlogging, consider clicking the subscribe button. We do also have a Buy Me a Coffee link site in our description box below. Malaking tulong na po yon once na nag-support kayo sa channel na ito. Yes, that's it. Once again, this is Geronimo. Thank you for watching this video. See you on my next one. Bye. Peace.